In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Google Maps location in Figma. By the end, you will know how to bring a precise map right into your design so you can present locations clearly and consistently. Start by opening your design in Figma. Make sure you are on the canvas or frame where you want the map to appear. The map will be inserted as part of your current file, so having the right page selected helps keep things organized. Next, right-click anywhere on the canvas to open the context menu. Hover over Plugins, then choose Manage Plugins. This is where you can quickly find and launch tools without leaving your design. In the search bar that appears, type Google Maps. Then select the option called Google Maps Map Maker. This is the plugin that will let you search for a place and bring a styled map directly into your layout. Click Run it to open the plugin. It will appear in a plugin window within Figma, so you can keep designing while you work with the map. Inside the plugin, use its search bar to look up your desired location. You can enter a city, a full address, or a well-known landmark. As you type, you will see a drop-down with suggestions. Choose the result that best matches the exact spot you are targeting, so the preview reflects the right place. Once your location is loaded, you can customize the map style directly in the editor. Choose the view that fits your design's purpose. A clean roadmap for UI mockups and directions, satellite for realistic context and visual texture, hybrid for labels over imagery when you need both detail and readability, or terrain if elevation and land features matter. Take a moment to confirm the style supports the information you want to communicate, and make sure the preview looks clear and legible within the space you've planned. When you are satisfied, click Insert Map to place the map in your design. Figma will add it to your canvas as a layer, so it sits alongside your other elements and remains easy to manage within your layout. This approach keeps your visual language consistent and helps stakeholders immediately understand the location you are highlighting without leaving your file. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.